afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's 19th of January. Beautiful, pleasant weather, sunny afternoon, and we are here to shoot video of Musab residency at Salarjung Colony. It's Salarjung Colony, road number 1. What you see here, that one is Maruti showroom. Next to that is Shah House. You must have seen our previous videos. I'm saying this for all those who are joining us on YouTube channel for the first time. This is Musab residency. We have already commissioned it 2 months in advance from the due date. Let's enter into the property and have a look at the unit which we are talking about, which has been on sale for almost 2 weeks now. It's a resale unit. To start with the property, these are the 2 entrances, one which goes to the basement. Let's enter into the basement and have a look at the basement setup. This is the basement parking. Entire basement floor is for the parking. Huge parking lot. And in fact, some functions, probably the tenants or the owners might find a beautiful venue to do a small gathering. Basically a small walima or a small shadi function can be done over here. Let's get on to the ground floor and have a look at the ground floor. We entered and we came out of that place, and now we are entering to the ground floor from the next gate. Yes, indeed, it's a Musab residency constructed by Asas Constructions, developed and promoted by Landmark Homes Hyderabad. This is what it looks. Let's enter into the entrance and see. Ground floor entrance, the entire floor parking, the panel board, elevator, wide enough staircase. Let's enter into the lift. We are at the ground floor. 3rd floor. We are going to the 3rd floor. We have reached to floor 3. This is the lift. Very well maintained. The lift goes back. We are here to review flat 301. The common area. This is the common area. A good walking space for the elders without getting to the ground floor or the top. Wide enough staircase. So basically we have got 3 units. This is 301. 302 comes with the double entrance, which is already gone, and 302. 303, that's the last one. 303 and 302 and 301. We are here to review 301. Let's enter. Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum. Nice, cozy, short and sweet, beautiful. That's a great one, you see, for the shoe rack, or probably you could have something else. This is basically the modern age Diwan Khana. Probably some of the youngsters might not know what is Diwan Khana. That's the bedroom. He has clubbed hand wash and the wash area together with a sliding door to the balcony. You can also enjoy a nice breeze from this balcony, having that net door slide. This is the spot for the washing machine, drain point, water point, power point, an open balcony, hand wash area, again 2 more power points, 1 more power point, the electrical stuff. You even have a low roof in this flat. That's surprising. None of the other flats have got this low roof without disturbing anything. And this could be the spot for the inverter. Beautiful tiles. Kitchen. This is the kitchen. A very comfortable and suitable for a small family. A window for the kitchen, and you could either have an exhaust or the exhaust for the chimney. Overhead storage. Entering back to the hall. The drawing. This would be the living. Beautiful place for the chandelier. It's elegant, not too loud interiors. So let's get on to the first floor. First room, bedroom, master bedroom. Wide enough windows. It's a one-piece commode and WC plus shower. So the person who has purchased this has really spent some good amount of money on this, having WC and commode together in one bathroom, and plus this area would be for the wash basin. So it's very well thought and very well done. So this is one bedroom, master bedroom. Dining. This would be the dining spot. Let's get on to the bedrooms. Second bedroom. Oh wow, again with an attach. It's with an attached bath. You have got a window here and then the attached bath. This is a bit smaller than that. So one commode, wash basin and shower point. Oh, there's a wardrobe as well in this room. We again landed up in the lobby, and you have the common bath. Common bath has got one single thing, WC, the traditional Indian. And this is the third bedroom we are entering to. It has got a very different kind of a balcony. I remember the gentleman saying that he wanted to install an air cooler here. That's the reason probably he must have given a drain point here. Or you could even use this as a balcony, or probably to chill out. Or you can even have a workstation, a computer station in this particular block. You have got 2 windows here. You see this block? You can very easily have a beautiful work from home spot. That's the right term as per the season. Thank God the COVID has gone. This is the lobby. The lobby which houses 2 rooms and a common bathroom. So we come out of it. So it's 3 bedrooms which has got 2 master bedrooms, and total number of bathrooms are 3, 2 attached and 1 common. So this is what the flat 301 is. large windows, the common area. So there won't be an issue for the stinking or bad smell or those kind of issues won't be there. It's pretty much ventilated. Rather, it's extraordinarily ventilated. The ceiling is also pretty much decent and good. This arch, I feel once you get the lights over here, it might look really beautiful. Now depends what kind of furniture you set in. Is this your home? Come, grab it before it's gone. It has got a very special price and a very different interiors. Ladies and gentlemen, you want more information on this? You can get in touch with us at 0091 998989.